So it's a smaller box, which means it's gonna be a small plant. So let me go ahead and open this and see what we got. Okay, so wow, immediately you can see what we're working with here. Okay, so let me pull these out and show you guys what they look like. Okay, so this is plant number 1. So I ordered 2 of the same plant, so let's get this one out. And so on their website, this is what medium looks like for this in particular tree. And this is my receipt. And as you can see, it's a Pitangatuba and medium size coconut core pot. Total was $49.90, $13.32 shipping. From So Exotic. Got 2 Pitangatubas, and as of right now they are actually sold out. So when I ordered mine, they had 5 left. So I checked this morning and they're all gone. So you know, when you see things on their website, they go really fast. You gotta hurry up and order. And I don't know how fast these grow, but I'm hoping they grow pretty fast because these are super tiny and I couldn't find them anywhere else online, sadly. But yeah, this is what I'm working with. These plants are gonna be understory bush for my other taller trees. It's a good way to still have some food and not have any wasted space. So that's my idea for these 2 as well. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.